What's up, everybody? Welcome to a special episode of Out of the Box with Mytee. My name's Austin, and today I am standing out in our parking lot to tell you about the Escape Plus electric truck mount. This thing features 3 LX motors pulling 350 CFM at 17.5 inches of mercury. It is the strongest electric truck mount ever built. This thing will go toe-to-toe with truck mounts that are gas-powered at a fraction of the cost. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys, so I've got the Escape here mounted in my van. Ours is connected to a 12 kilowatt generator that is mounted on our van's engine. You're gonna need at least 8,600 watts to run the machine, and that's 8,600 running watts. But we do recommend the extra juice so you can hook up any of your accessories like an external heater, T-Rex, anything of that sort. But now onto the machine itself. This is the entire unit. You'll notice it's a very compact footprint. We're not taking up too much of your van's space here. It is 25.5 inches wide and 37 inches deep. The whole front panel here has all of our controls all in one space. It's very easy to reach everything. We're gonna show it running at the end of this video, but I'm just gonna go ahead and run through all of the features now. So across the top here, this is the row of water resistant switches. We have 1, 2, 3 vacuums, the pump, a pump out, and we have a blank one for a transfer pump. You can add on if you want to use your external tanks inside your van. Now you'll notice each of these is grouped onto 3 circuits with a circuit breaker. Should you happen to run into any electrical difficulties, these are going to make your life much, much easier. Now, moving down to this gauge right here, this is our pressure readout for our pressure pump. The Escape Plus has a 1200 PSI pump inside of it, with a 1000 PSI regulator right here. So I can use this to control the PSI. A few turns one way, a few turns the other way. We'll turn the PSI up, turn the PSI down. Now the pump itself has 2.2 GPM, which is plenty of flow to push a spinner. So you can do hard surface cleaning, you can do carpet cleaning, and you can do upholstery as well with the adjustable regulator. Now, moving on down, this is our solution out. This is where your water line for your tool is going to connect. This goes to either directly to your tool or to an external heater. Ours is connected to a heat exchanger. Going to the other side here, this is the automatic pump out. So this will empty out your dirty tanks into a drain or into an external tank, so you don't have to worry about capacity issues. Above it, this is the prime valve. Putting it in the prime position will prime your pump. You can also, it'll run water through this wash hose. You can use that wash hose to clean your tank as well. Serves a dual feature. When your pump is primed and you're ready to get going, switch this into the run position and that will send water out to your tool. Above it here, this is the chemical metering. So you can see on the side, this is a chemical injection jug. Fill it with concentrated chemical and set your gallons per hour according to the chemical manufacturer's recommendation. Down here is the autofill port for your clean water tank. So that can connect to a garden hose, or you can use a transfer pump from an external tank. That connects right there. Over here is a dump gate valve. In case you don't want to use your automatic pump out, you can manually empty the dirty tank here. You can use this dump valve to manually empty your clean tank. And right here is a winterizing valve to empty out the water from your pump. So if you need to leave the machine over the winter or outside, you can do that. Now, that pretty much covers everything along the front of the machine. We're gonna go ahead and show you inside of it though, so you can see just how simple this machine is. All right, guys, so I just removed the panel here off the side. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and you can see that all of these components are immediately accessible. That is one of the huge advantages over more complicated gas-powered truck mounts, is I can access everything pretty much immediately. However, don't let that simplicity fool you. The thing still performs like a beast. Go ahead and take a look. All right, guys, that's all we have for you. If you have any questions, you can visit mytee.com for more info, or you can connect with us on Instagram, Twitter, or join our Facebook group, All Things Mytee. Thank you so much for watching and have a mighty fine day.